Hi, my name is Bobby Lanyon, the CEO and Chief Servant of AIG Safety, and we are here with our friends at Volvo Construction Equipment to unveil the AIG Safety ReflectaSAFE panels for Volvo Construction Equipment. It fits Volvo Construction wheel loaders, excavators, it fits their haul trucks, it fits everything in the Volvo Construction lineup. The AIG Safety ReflectaSAFE panel is the latest technology in retroreflective material. It is no longer requiring a secondary light source to reflect it. This is self-illuminated, flexible, can go on any material, 2 millimeters thick, and with different sizes available, you can put it on all of your heavy equipment. And no matter where you use it, in cold weather, hot weather, it's the AIG Safety ReflectaSAFE. The ReflectaSAFE panels come in 3 standards, and they come in kits. Each kit has 2 panels, 1 inverter, and a power supply. The standard sizes are a 10 by 12 inch. Remember, it comes in 2 panels per kit. We have our 30 inch by 11.5 inch, 2 panels per kit. And then for smaller equipment, a 16 inch by 4 inch kit, standard off the shelf, ready for any equipment that you want to apply it to. So as you can tell, it's darker, and this is really when the ReflectaSAFE shines. This is why the ReflectaSAFE is so much better than retroreflective tape that you just stick on. The self-illuminated ReflectaSAFE tape is really what increases the situational awareness of your equipment when it comes to letting other people know that you're around and they need to stay away.